Years ago, a group called Sonic Flood explains foundations in this way, and I'll paraphrase. For the neighborhood church and or this nation, if you build this house on a foundation of rock and try to replace the foundation with sand, for example, the house will crumble. This nation and the neighborhood church was originally built on the strong foundation of Christ and Him crucified. And we are currently trying to replace our original and strong foundation with much weaker sand. This is the sand of materialism, self-love, postmodernism, morality, etc. Because of this, our national house and or the house of the neighborhood church is crumbling. If we don't stop what we're doing and begin reversing the sand installation and replace it back with the rock of Christ, our nation and or churches will fall and will be no better than the Romans, the Canaanites, or even the Nephilim before the flood. We will be dead in the water. Our house will be no more. We must stand up and be bold in the face of powers and principalities, not just for our wives, but for our children and our children's children. Edmund Burke once said, "The only thing necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men to do nothing." This isn't a game. Lives are in the balance. We are fighting for eternity. And if or when we decide to fight, we will not be fighting in vain. And that's my dangerous take.